Hello, today we're gonna make a cube. We need a origami paper. We'll start by the white side. We're gonna fold in half like this. And now half like this. We'll fold back, we will flip. We will take this gun and we can bring it this corner. We'll fold back, we will take this gun and we're going to bring it to the up corner. We'll fold back, we will flip. We'll repeat the same pieces that we did. Now we will push. We will take like this and we will push on top. We will take this gun and we're gonna bring it up. And this one too. We will flip it and we will repeat the same step. We will take this gun and we're gonna bring it to here. And this one too. And we will repeat the same step. Now we will take this gun and we can bring it in this pocket. And we will do the same thing on this side. We will flip and we will do the same step. Now we will take this gun and we're gonna fold it down. And this one to here. We'll fold back. And over here we will blow air. And here we go, we made a cube. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.